Hey there, tech enthusiasts and aspiring ethical hackers. Welcome to an exhilarating journey into the future of Android hacking. Let's dive into the exciting world of Android hacking in 2025. Imagine a world where technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives, from smart homes to autonomous vehicles. Picture this: billions of Android devices, each a potential target and a challenging puzzle to solve. These devices are not just phones, they are gateways to personal data, financial information, and even control systems for other technologies. As technology advances at warp speed, so do the methods used by both hackers and security professionals. The cat-and-mouse game between hackers and defenders is more intense than ever, with each side constantly evolving their tactics. Today, we're focusing on a powerful tool in a hacker's arsenal, Metasploit. This tool is a framework that allows hackers to test the security of systems by simulating attacks, making it invaluable for both offensive and defensive cybersecurity strategies. Think of Metasploit as a master key that can unlock the secrets of vulnerable Android devices. It can identify weaknesses, exploit them, and help in understanding how to protect against real-world attacks. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical use of hacking tools is crucial to ensure that we are protecting, not exploiting, the digital world. We'll explore how to use these tools ethically to identify and fix security flaws, making the digital world a safer place. Ethical hackers play a vital role in safeguarding our digital future by finding and fixing vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Get ready to learn, experiment, and become an ethical guardian of the Android realm. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that technology serves as a force for good in our increasingly connected world. Let's break down why Metasploit is a game-changer in the world of ethical hacking. This open-source framework is like a Swiss Army knife for security researchers and penetration testers. Imagine having a collection of pre-built exploits, payloads, and tools all in one place. That's Metasploit. It simplifies the process of finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in systems, including Android devices. Why is this important? Because it allows security professionals and ethical hackers to simulate real-world attacks. By understanding how these attacks work, we can better defend against them. Whether you're a seasoned security expert or just starting, Metasploit provides a user-friendly interface and a vast library of resources. It's time to add this powerful tool to your ethical hacking arsenal. Metasploit is not just a tool, it's a comprehensive framework that brings together a multitude of functionalities. From scanning networks to identifying vulnerabilities, it covers all the bases. This makes it an indispensable asset for anyone serious about cybersecurity. One of the standout features of Metasploit is its extensive database of exploits. These are pre-written codes that can be used to take advantage of vulnerabilities in various systems. This means you don't have to start from scratch every time you want to test a system's security. For Android devices, Metasploit offers specialized modules that make it easier to find and exploit vulnerabilities specific to this platform. This is crucial because mobile security is becoming increasingly important in our connected world. The ability to simulate real-world attacks is invaluable. It allows ethical hackers to understand the tactics, techniques, and procedures used by malicious actors. This knowledge is essential for developing effective defense strategies. By practicing in a controlled environment, security professionals can hone their skills and be better prepared for actual cyber threats. This proactive approach is key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Metasploit's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experts. The extensive documentation and community support further enhance its usability, making it a go-to tool for ethical hackers worldwide. So, if you're looking to elevate your ethical hacking skills, Metasploit is a must-have in your toolkit. It's time to add this powerful tool to your ethical hacking arsenal and take your cybersecurity game to the next level. Hold on tight because the world of Android hacking is constantly evolving. Metasploit is always adding new exploits to its arsenal, targeting the latest vulnerabilities discovered in Android systems. Think about all the new Android versions, apps, and features released every year. Each update can introduce potential security loopholes. That's where Metasploit comes in. Researchers and developers are constantly working to identify these weaknesses and create exploits that can target them. These exploits are then added to Metasploit's database, giving ethical hackers the tools they need to stay ahead of the curve. Keep your eyes peeled for updates on new Android exploits within Metasploit. It's an ever-expanding landscape of possibilities. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started with Metasploit. We'll walk through the basic setup process together. First things first, you'll need a system to run Metasploit. A virtual machine is a popular choice, providing a safe and isolated environment for your hacking endeavors. Think of it as a digital sandbox where you can experiment without affecting your main operating system. Once you have your virtual machine up and running, you can easily install Metasploit using simple commands. The Metasploit community offers detailed installation guides for different operating systems, so you'll be up and running in no time. Remember, having the right setup is crucial for a smooth and successful hacking experience. Section 5. Step by step, launching your first Android exploit with Metasploit. Now for the exciting part, launching your first Android exploit. This is where all your preparation and learning come together. It's a thrilling moment for any aspiring ethical hacker. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. By understanding each phase, you'll be able to execute the exploit with confidence and precision. Imagine you found a vulnerability in a specific Android app. This could be due to outdated software, poor coding practices, or a newly discovered security flaw. Metasploit likely has an exploit for it. This powerful tool is a treasure trove of pre-built exploits, making it easier to find one that matches the vulnerability you've identified. You'll start by searching for this exploit within Metasploit's database. The search functionality is robust, allowing you to filter and pinpoint the exact exploit you need. Once you've found the right exploit, you'll need to configure it with the target's information, such as the device's IP address. This step is crucial, as it ensures the exploit is directed at the correct target. This tells Metasploit which device to target. Accurate information here is key to a successful exploit. With everything set up, you're ready to launch the exploit. This is the moment of truth where all your efforts culminate. Metasploit will deliver the payload to the targeted device. The payload is the component that will execute the intended actions on the device. This payload could allow you to gain remote access, extract data, or perform other actions depending on the exploit. Each exploit has its own set of capabilities, so understanding what each one does is essential for achieving your objective. Section 6. Real-world scenarios, where Metasploit meets Android vulnerabilities. Let's bring Metasploit to life with some real-world scenarios. Imagine a scenario where a vulnerability is discovered in a popular messaging app. Hackers could exploit this flaw to intercept messages, eavesdrop on conversations, or even steal sensitive information. In another scenario, a vulnerability in an Android's operating system could allow attackers to gain root access to the device. This would give them complete control over the phone, putting the user's data and privacy at risk. These examples highlight the importance of ethical hacking. By identifying and reporting these vulnerabilities, we can help developers patch the security holes before malicious actors exploit them. Section 7. The importance of ethical hacking, protecting our digital world. Let's talk about the ethical side of hacking. Think of ethical hackers as the good guys in the digital world. They use their knowledge and skills to protect systems and data from malicious attacks. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, ethical hackers can identify vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. They then report these vulnerabilities to the relevant organizations, allowing them to fix the issues and strengthen their security posture. Ethical hacking is crucial for building a safer and more secure digital world. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use your hacking skills for good. Section 8. Resources and further learning. Level up your hacking skills. Ready to dive deeper into the world of Android hacking with Metasploit? There are tons of resources available to help you level up your skills. Online platforms like Cybrary and Udemy offer comprehensive courses on ethical hacking and Metasploit. You'll find tutorials, labs, and challenges designed to enhance your knowledge and practical skills. Don't underestimate the power of community. Join online forums and groups dedicated to ethical hacking. Connect with fellow enthusiasts, exchange ideas, and learn from experienced professionals. Remember, the learning journey never ends in the world of cybersecurity. embrace the challenge, and never stop exploring new ways to enhance your skills. Section 9. Final thoughts. Embrace the challenge, hack responsibly. As we conclude our exploration of Android hacking with Metasploit, remember that knowledge is power. By understanding how hackers operate, we can build stronger defenses and protect ourselves from potential threats. Always use your hacking skills ethically and responsibly. Focus on identifying and reporting vulnerabilities to make the digital world a safer place. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so embrace the challenge and never stop learning. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep those hacking skills sharp.